Hey everyone, welcome back to Tailor Made It, where I show you how to create stunning designs without all the stress. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through how to design a full website in Canva all in under 1 hour. If you're looking to launch a portfolio, a landing page, or just showcase your work online, this is the fast track you need. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a finished website design, but you'll also understand exactly how to tailor it to your unique style or brand. Alright, let's jump right in together and take it step by step. First, once you're inside Canva, look for that big Create button. This is your starting point for almost anything in Canva, and for us it's the gateway to web design without needing to touch a single line of code. Click Create, and in the search bar right up top type Website. You'll see an option pop up called Website Canvas. Go ahead and click on that. This part might sound simple, but it's actually a powerful search filter. You're telling Canva, show me everything you have for website design. It saves you time searching through endless templates or layouts that aren't website specific. Now here comes a crucial moment. Do you pick a template or start from scratch? If you're new to web design or you want to move fast, I highly recommend using a template. Canva's got a massive library, whether you want something classy and understated, bold and colorful, or even playful for a personal project. Just scroll through, preview a few, and select the one that vibes with your project's personality. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect one right away. Think of it as setting the foundation, and you can always tweak the details later. Once your template is loaded, this is where the fun and personalization really begin. Think of this part like moving into a new apartment. The structure is there, but you get to decorate and arrange things exactly how you like. Every image, background, font, and color on the template is totally customizable. Click on any element, say a headline or a background image, and you'll see editing options pop up instantly. Swap out the default photos for your own, or browse Canva's free library for something that fits. The same goes for text. Double-click to update it with your name, business info, or whatever message you want front and center on your site. One tip here, take a moment to adjust the colors and fonts in line with your brand. Small changes like tweaking the accent color or font style can really make the design feel uniquely yours, even if you started from a template. And don't worry if you get stuck or make a change you don't love. Canva has an undo button, and you can always preview your website before publishing anything. Finally, once you're happy with your changes, hit that preview button to see what your website will look like live. This is your chance to catch any last-minute tweaks or corrections before sharing your new site with the world. And that's it, your Canva website design is ready to go, all in less than an hour. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips for customizing your Canva site. And don't forget to subscribe to Tailor Made It for more hands-on design tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.